We left off on day 7 as we entered the northeast entrance of Yellowstone National Park, after spending the morning riding the Beartooth Highway. This morning was amazing. I've been wanting to ride Beartooth Highway for years. I almost did in 2022 on my way back to California from Amerivespa in Minnesota. But historic floods in Yellowstone washed away most of these roads and destroyed the hotel I was planning on staying in.
Hillsides giving way to the force of water.
Whoa.
And the massive boulders narrowly missing cars on the road.
Oh, it just moved.
Flood-swollen rivers even sweeping away buildings. This 2-story bunkhouse carried nearly 5 miles downstream. Roads and bridges leading to Yellowstone National Park that weren't washed away have now been shut down indefinitely.
Well, anyway, that was then and this is now. It's a gorgeous warm day here in Yellowstone, and there are bison.
Buffalo gals, won't you come out tonight? Come out tonight, come out tonight. Buffalo gals, won't you come out tonight and dance by the light of the moon?
There are lots of things to see in Yellowstone, but since the park covers 3,400 square miles, it can be quite a ride between them. The center of activities in Yellowstone is the Old Faithful General Store. We stopped and had some lunch. Do you remember the bison we saw earlier? Well, they are delicious. And we had to have some ice cream while we waited to watch Old Faithful. Old Faithful is Yellowstone's most famous geyser, and for good reason. About every 90 minutes, it erupts in a powerful burst of steam and water, shooting up to 180 feet in the air. It's not perfectly predictable, but it's remarkably consistent. Watching it erupt is a reminder of the immense geothermal energy just beneath your feet, and one of the park's most unforgettable sights. When we got back to the scooters, we found the zippers on Valerie's luggage open, and some of her things strewn around on the ground. Nothing important was missing, but why would somebody do this? We really felt violated. Later, we found out that the ravens in Yellowstone have figured out how to unzip, open, and steal from motorcycle and snowmobile bags. It was just a short ride back up Highway 191 to our next stop. Steam rises in thick clouds as you approach one of Yellowstone's most breathtaking sights, the Grand Prismatic Spring. Stretching over 300 feet across, it's the largest hot spring in the United States, and it looks almost unearthly. Vivid bands of blue, green, yellow, and orange radiate from its deep sapphire center, created by heat-loving microbes that thrive in its mineral-rich waters. Just down the hill, the Excelsior geyser tells a different story. Once one of the most powerful geysers in the world, it erupted dramatically in the late 1800s before falling silent. Together, they showcase both the beauty and the raw power simmering beneath Yellowstone's surface. It's just a 20-mile straight shot out of the park to West Yellowstone for the night.
We are leaving Yellowstone National Park. And we spent the entire day here. Didn't see a tenth of the park, probably. So plan more time. Plan more time. But now we're trying to get out of the park before the sun goes down. There's so much wildlife in the park, and they're not shy about the roads. They're near the roads. And I'd hate to ride through here in the dark. I think it would just be dangerous and not smart. So anyways, we are headed out of the park. We're staying in West Yellowstone tonight. And I can't remember where we go tomorrow. But we'll pull out the map over dinner. And we have a plan, but it's a loose one.
Tonight we're staying in West Yellowstone at the Three Bear Lodge. Dinner was at the Slippery Otter Pub.